Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tonie Renee here, back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I am back with a makeup look for you guys. So I just did this quick makeup look for a Sunday. Just very quick, just some gloss, foundation. I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation that I just got, which I've only worn, this is my second time, so I guess I kind of like it. I'm still working, testing it out, but yeah, so stay tuned for this video. everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely don't forget to subscribe. So if you would, hit that subscribe button in the corner of this video. I am trying to get my subscribers up. I'm gonna try to reach 200 by like a month or two. I don't know. I'm gonna post more, I promise. But yeah, so if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will be back with another video. As always, love, laughter, and lifestyle. Peace.